Now, air fryers are a popular kitchen gadget in South Korea and many other parts of the world for that matter. But if you have to use them, do so with caution because, according to a new study, if you overcook your food, the air fryer emits a toxic substance. Park Se-young has this report.
Frozen fries are placed inside an air fryer and cooked at 200 degrees Celsius. In 10 minutes, the fries turn a golden color, and after another 10 minutes, they're even darker. The Korea Consumer Agency conducted an experiment using 10 air fryer models, cooking the smallest batch of frozen fries for the longest time suggested by each product's manual. At 200 degrees, they emitted up to 1,700 micrograms per kilogram of the toxic substance acrylamide. This exceeds the European Union standard for frozen fries by 3.4 times and Korean standards for food by 1.7 times. With a larger batch, however, emissions decrease, meaning cooking a small amount of food for a long time at high temperatures is bad for your health. Fries should only be cooked until they're a light golden yellow color.
Identified as a potentially cancer-causing chemical by the WHO, acrylamide can affect the nervous system and cause a number of serious issues.
Even when the fries were cooked according to the instructions or in auto-cooking mode, 4 out of the 10 models emitted acrylamide exceeding EU standard. Emissions decreased to a safe level with reduced temperature